welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys see in my background, I'm in my kitchen. So I am going to film Bake With Me, because if you guys have watched that spin the wheel challenge with my best friend, I got a dare to post 2 videos on the same this week, and it should be a cooking video, not with shorts, because right now I'm recently posting a lot of shorts, and they don't wanted me to post a short video. So today I'm gonna bake some Bombolonis. I don't know, should I say bake, because I'm not gonna bake it, I'm gonna fry it. So I don't know how, but yeah, it's gonna be a Bomboloni, so I'm excited. Guys, before cleaning, I have to do one step, which is I don't have caster sugar with me. I am out of stock with it, and I'm trying to buy it. I'm not getting it anywhere. So what I do is that I just take some normal sugar, which is like big chunks, right? Like these chunkies, round one, and I grind them and I make it into a powder. So for this, I have 2 types of sugar. I need to make 2 types of sugar. One is like sugar powder completely, and one is like a caster type, like small granule thing, because I'm gonna dip that Bombolonis in it. So I have to make 8 tablespoons of sugar, but 2 tablespoons of sugar powder and 6 tablespoons of the Karakvala type of sugar. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I've arranged almost everything here. I've kept it. Now I'm just assembling. So I just got myself some buttermilk. I'm gonna drink that and I'm gonna do this, to be honest. So yeah, let's go. Avoid if you hear some white noise, because it's really next to the window of my kitchen. I need 2 cups of flour, so I'm just gonna strain the flour in this 2 cups of maida. You know, I wish Nihal was here, she would have been fun actually, and I like doing it alone for some reason. And as for her to come, she wouldn't come and all that. So I'm doing it alone. Yes. Doing it with her best friend is fun, to be honest. So, yeah. I don't know if I can do it after my college starts, because I'll be coming tired, tired, whatnot, right? And I don't expect I will be doing videos like shorts, baking especially. But I want to do, because my shorts are kind of getting hyped, like especially like baking one. So yeah, almost my flour is almost over. Let's see what one is. I'm gonna need 6 tablespoons of it, so I'm just gonna add a little extra. So I'm not measuring it. I'm just adding 6 cups. So the dough is here. It's too much more. Hold on. Yeah. The dough is here, and it's made a mess here. So it's good. It's good. So good. So for this, I need to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. I have 2 types of yeast. Okay, so this is like a little bit of yeast is there left over in it, but I don't know if this will be a teaspoon. So I have 1 box. I don't know if I should mix it or no. I think I'll mix it. Nothing happened. I just yeast the same. Let me just open this and see first how it is. If it's the same, then I'll just add it. They both are. Hold on a second. They both are kind of similar. I'll add this also. Masa balik mobile ko na? Oh, teaspoon man. I'll take a rare. Shit, not even a teaspoon, to be honest. Let's add more. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया guys. There is extra. I need a double for this, right? If not, I don't know. So easy here. I need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I've made it. I have this double. 2 tablespoons. Do we have actual 2 tablespoons here? I need 1 cup of warm milk and 1/4 cup of melted butter. So I don't know how much is 1/4 in grams. So I just got like 4 of these tiny butters. I'm gonna melt them. I'm gonna put this in this mug. But so I'll add it for the dough recipe. Leftovers. First step. Now I'm gonna add this to this, and then the same cup I'm gonna melt some. It's hot. It's hot enough. From the same cup I'm gonna warm up some. I need warm milk also. I need that 1 cup. So let's just go. Thanda ho na tha. I'm so sorry. It should have been cold, but I think I might have killed the yeast. I don't know. I need 1 cup of milk. So ये sama दूध फ्रिजत ना कौन रहता है if that was a fallen, it would have fallen down and I had to mop the whole. So I'm gonna warm this milk for at least a second. I'm gonna give it for 20 seconds. I need to get warm milk now. Add the warm milk. So it has butter also. Why do I feel it's too much? Some reason I'm feeling it's too much. So I'm gonna mix it. Oh my god. I have to mix it with, make sure that there's no lumps in it. First mix it. You know the best way, guys. Hot. I'm gonna knead it in my hands now. इसमें बचा हुआ दूध भी डाल देना मतलब रोज नमक पर एक दो मिनट बचना that's so soft it's sticky that's my god it's sticky look at this device it's super sticky I need to knead it until it has no lumps and I need to knead it till it's smooth like a dough. You guys can see that it's kind of getting into a dough now. Let's see. It's working, but it's bleeding in the middle also. Yeah, I need a little bit more, and then I can find a way to the story. Now I need to fingers. Ready to be poof. So you guys know that I have these leftovers butter. Like I'm gonna grease them with. You guys have the yellow. It's already greased. To be honest, it's completely butter. Yeah, I'm gonna make a lamb. I think the other one I'm gonna this. I'm gonna take this and I'll keep it. I'm gonna make a dough perfect dough. Let's just make it a perfect one. So this is the size, you guys. This is I'm gonna show you guys now. So this is the size of this. Okay, hold on. Come on. It's like pretty much big enough. Okay. So this should be kept for 1 hour, covered and keeping for rest for 1 hour actually. So it's need to like puff. So this has 2 times. You have to keep this for 2 times puffing. So one is for 1 hour when your dough is ready, and the second one is once you shape it. Now you need to keep it for another 30 minutes to puff again. So yeah, right now I've just covered it with a cloth, and I'm gonna keep it here and let it rest. Guys, I think it's almost puffed up. It's been an hour. Oh my god, it's puffed up to the level, man. Exactly 1 hour, you guys. It's right now. Yeah, 4 and it's puffed now. I'm gonna change the angle because I was just editing it now. Okay, 1 hour I was just time pass. I was just trying to edit that. There's no point of seeing my face, to be honest. You guys need to see the actual way of preparing. So I'm gonna put you guys in some different angle and I'm gonna start baking them. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm just gonna little bit give it a good little. It's moist. It's hot and down, guys. So now I'm gonna shape them in small balls. I don't know how, but I have to just bet myself because I know the angle is weird. I don't know how I'm gonna shape them because I don't have an equal measurement. I'm shit. I think I just weighed by grams. So give me a second. Okay, so I got myself a weighing machine. I'm gonna weigh them and measure them and see equal dough. I'm gonna make it equally. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I have cut this unevenly. Please don't judge my chocolate cutting skills. I'm not a good cutter, guys. Yeah, shit, I know. Never mind. Let's just bring it here. Okay. I'm just gonna take it to some. I'm just gonna make it a dough now. Put it. It's 53. I think I'll make it 55. Oops. I'll just make it 60. Okay. So, hi. Okay. So I guess I am making 60 grams. If you guys can see, it is 60 grams. So let's go. I'm just gonna make that into a dough now. I'm gonna store it in a perfect, just need to make it a perfect dough for it to just. Yep. So I'm gonna make the rest. I guess we're doing this method like that, and I'm pinching and just pressing it so it just gets like a perfect dough, circle doughish. Not super oily, you guys. Butter ज़्यादा लगे इसमें. Perfect 60 था यार. They're the same. Folding it, folding it, folding, covering and puffing, covering and puffing, covering and puffing. I think I'm getting quite on this. That's 7. अरे वैसे कम पड़ गया. It only has 56 grams. Oh no. I guess this one is the smallest one. No, guys, I'm gonna wait. Hey? Yeah. What the fuck? क्या चल रहा है guys? Double checking it because now I doubt myself. यार. Let's check it, double checking it. So now I doubt myself. Exact. कैसे? Shit. Do they like puff and get size? Like that? No, this guy's some extra. So for now, I'm gonna keep them rest for 30 minutes. I've made like this. This one is the lesser one. So I have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Bombolonis with me. So I'm just gonna keep them puffing till that. In the same bowl, I'm gonna make some whipping cream for the filling. So yeah, for the filling, it's actually dark chocolate and whipped cream. So for the whipped cream, actually I have dark chocolate with me, but for the whipped cream, when I started actual first time whipping, I tried the Amul whipped cream. I'll pop a picture here. That didn't work for me well, so I got an alternative. I had nothing, so I bought this one when I was making a tiramisu. So I bought this one. This is from TGF whipped cream powder. So this works very good for me. for some reason, I don't know, but this worked good. So it's like you just need to have 100 ml of cold or chilled water and add this powder. You whip it. So this works good for me, so I'm using this. I don't know what's wrong with the Amul whipped cream. Even the fresh cream didn't work for me, so maybe I was not using the fresh cream properly, but the whipped cream I just kept it on chill, man. It was chill mode, upside down, everything. It didn't work, so I'm using this. So yeah, I'll do the filling. The Bombolonis are puffing right now. I know it's a mess, but it's getting puffed. It's almost been an hour, some few minutes, but now I'm gonna go puff and whip some whipping cream. So let's go. So complete powdered one. I'm just gonna add that and I'm not wasting that. Here 100 ml of water, while I just even chilled the whipping wala machine so that it can be cold. So I'm just gonna first assemble. But before that I need to melt a chocolate because I'm using the smaller version of this. I don't know how to melt it. I think I'll do the double boiling method. I'll just melt it and they're very less, so yeah, it's super less, but I'm gonna melt it and let me put it in. So this is how it is. Like, let me put it here. It's on, it's gonna get heating. It's kind of heating up. So I'm just gonna melt that. Either you guys can add some coconut oil or you add ghee. I'm adding some coconut oil for it. I'm just adding some few drops of coconut oil. I don't like the taste of coconut oil. Well, it's completely melted.
What the dog doing?
Adding some chocolates. Yeah, you could actually mix in some chocolate whipped cream. I'm just gonna mix it so that I get every inch of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just add the mix. So basically, the mix I'm supposed to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I don't have caster sugar, so I just made the sugar like a little bit of a texture, a rough. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Measure it. I'm gonna make a little batch first, and then I'm gonna make a lot of batch because I don't want to waste. So I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's too noisy. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that's too much to be honest. That's too much. So let's go add. Oh, I'll just put it. Now I'll add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. I have the cinnamon powder. I'll mix it. I hate the smell of this. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of it. Let's get it. I'm just eyeballing this, you guys. I was adding that much. I am terrified of the smell of this one. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. It's so strong. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. So I'll just get that cinnamony, sugary texture. So the key for frying it, you need to get the oil into a temperature, but I don't have a temperature machine, so I asked, and you need to keep the flame in medium flame and then fry it so that it gets golden color also, but not get burned at the same time. So yeah. it looks if I add that sugary dusty thing. I'm gonna fill it. For that first I'm gonna do the filling in the piping bag.
What the dog doing?
All the donuts, the cinnamon balado thing, whatever it is. This is the first one. This is like a one which didn't have it expanded here.
What the dog doing?
So guys, they're done. Like I'm just gonna pick one and I'll show you guys. It's so cute. The one which was less in quantity, it didn't open, so I just decorated. Let's just try to. That's amazing. Ooh. Let's just see the frosting and okay. So let's try it. Perfect. Chewy. This one I not yet cooked properly, but I love it. Yeah. Oh my god, they're melting. This one just melted. I need to keep it in fridge for that. But so that was it, guys. It's right now 6:04 and I have pretty much messed. I'll clean that. That doesn't matter. So it took me, I guess, 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, I guess. Yeah. 3 hours for me to do the Bombolonis. It's similar to Berliner, it's just that Berliners have jam in it, jam custard, and this have chocolate fillings in it. So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye.